triple candlestick patterns, the morning and evening star. In this video you will learn what a triple candlestick pattern is, what a morning and evening star pattern is, how you can recognize the morning star and evening star pattern. In previous lessons we have looked at single and dual candlestick patterns. In the following lesson, we move beyond the scope of these candlestick patterns into more complex candlestick formations. Let us take a look at some triple candlestick patterns and where to look for them on a price chart. The first triple candlestick patterns we will look at are the morning and evening star. As with all other candlestick patterns, it is very important to note where the candles are found on a price chart. Ideally, you want to look for candlestick patterns at the end of a clear trend. The morning star is a reversal pattern found at the end of a downtrend and is comprised of 3 candles. After a morning star has formed, there is a high probability that the price will move up. The evening star is the bearish counterpart of the morning star pattern and appears after an uptrend. It indicates a high probability of price moving to the downside. Let's have a closer look at the characteristics of a morning star pattern. The first part of this triple candlestick pattern is a bearish candle found after a downtrend, followed by a second candlestick that has a small body. It does not matter if the second candlestick body is bullish or bearish. It is also possible for the second candlestick to have no body, also known as a doji. The small body serves as an indication that the bears are losing their capacity to drive the market lower. The third candlestick, which completes the morning star pattern, is a bullish candle that closes at least halfway within the body of the first candle. This shows that the bulls are gaining control. The price has a high probability of moving to the upside once this triple candle pattern completes. The evening star is the bearish counterpart of the morning star pattern. The first candlestick will have a bullish body after an uptrend, followed by a second candlestick with a small body. It can be bullish or bearish, or have no body at all. The third candlestick, which completes the evening star pattern, is a bearish candle that closes at least halfway within the body of the first candlestick. This shows that the bears are gaining control. The price has a high probability of reversing to the downside once this triple candlestick pattern completes. So far, you have learned that the morning and evening star are triple candlestick patterns that signal possible reversals. The first candlestick is in the direction of the trend. The second candlestick is a smaller candlestick, denoting indecision in the market. And finally, the third candlestick closes within the body of the first candlestick, preferably beyond the halfway mark, signaling that the direction could change.